Hey crypto friends, this is going to be video number 1 out of 17 of my brand new Crypto Trading for Beginners series, and I will be teaching you how to get into the right mindset that it takes to be a consistently profitable crypto day trader. But before we actually go ahead and dive into the video, for those of you who are looking for a solid crypto exchange to trade crypto futures and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. All right, guys. So here's the thing. When people first get into crypto trading, one of the very first things that they usually ask themselves are, which coin should I buy, or what's the best strategy to make money super fast? But here is the absolute truth that most beginners do not realize. Your mindset is more important than any trading indicator out there, or any strategy, or any coin pick, all right? If you do not have the right mental approach to the crypto market, the market will quite literally eat you alive. I mean, I'm being dead serious about this, no matter how good your charts look. So we're going to break down why mindset comes first and how to prepare yourself before making your very first trade. All right. So first up, we've got emotions will always be your biggest enemy. All right. Crypto is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Prices can literally jump or dump double digits in a single day or within hours. And when that happens, beginners often let their emotions take over. Greed usually ends up kicking in when prices are surging, making you FOMO into trades at the very, very top of the market. And then what happens after that is fear takes over when the market ends up dumping, causing you to panic sell at the bottom. And this is how you end up losing big, big money. So overall, the reality here is both of those reactions lead to insanely large losses. And a successful trader learns how to manage these emotions and stick to a plan, no matter what the market is doing. All right. Now, number 2, trading is about probabilities. It is not about being right all the time. All right. And this is a big one because losing is part of the game. All right. There's no way around it. There's not a single trader on the planet who has won 100% of their trades that they have ever taken. Even the most experienced traders lose trades. The difference is they don't treat these losses as a failure. Instead, they see it as a one small step into their overall larger strategy. So you want to be thinking about probabilities instead. If your strategy gives you an edge that wins more often than it loses, then you'll end up coming out ahead in the overall long run. All right. The goal is not to win every single trade. The goal overall is to manage risk with manageable stop losses and stay profitable over time by making sure that your winning trades are always much, much larger than your losing trades. Again, I will repeat that. The goal is not to win every single time. The goal is to make sure that your winning trades are always much, much larger than your losing trades. All right. Now, number 3, patience and discipline are your best friends in trading. All right. Why? Simply because the crypto market never sleeps. Coins randomly pump at 2 a.m. and then they crash during your lunch break and sometimes do nothing for days. All right. And this type of stuff makes beginners feel like they always need to be in some kind of trade. But here's the truth. Most profitable crypto traders, most profitable crypto trades come from waiting patiently with the right trading setup. They do not chase every single move. All right. Realistically, discipline means following your trading plan, not your emotions. Okay. And patience means knowing when to sit on your hands and wait for these trade setups to develop. And sometimes the best trade, honestly, is no trade at all. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Okay. Sitting out and not taking a trade for maybe a couple days, it's way better than taking a chance on a trade that may or may not produce and you end up losing money on it. All right. So this brings me to number 4, which is to build a long-term mindset. Okay. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. All right. It's a skill just like any other skill out there, and it takes months, if not years, to truly master. Success comes from building habits. All right. Managing risk and improving slowly over time. Okay. So if you go into this crypto trading stuff expecting instant wealth, you're almost always going to burn out or blow up your account. Okay. Instead, what you want to do is you want to focus on small, consistent progress, track your trades, and learn from mistakes, and keep your expectations realistic. All right. I cannot stress that enough. Now, overall here, guys, before you go ahead and start diving into different trading strategies, trading indicators, or advanced tools, make sure that your mindset is absolutely locked in by controlling your emotions, thinking in probabilities, being patient and disciplined, and focusing on long-term growth. All right, if you get this foundation right, everything else in trading, it becomes much easier. Now, in the next part of this 17 video beginner series, we are going to get into the different types of trading so that you can decide which type of trading is going to work best for your personal lifestyle and the time available that you personally have available to trade. All right. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about learning, then I would like to invite you guys to my premium crypto trading education Discord group, where you can ask me questions at any given time. You can see how I trade in real time and get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find the link to join in the video description below this video as well. Outside of that though, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some pretty decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below the video to help me out here. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this whole video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see all of you in the future videos of this series.